Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. I've seriously been slacking on these videos. I'm sorry. I've been getting so many messages from you guys being like, Vanessa, are you okay? You haven't made a video in, I think it's been like a week, 2 weeks maybe? I don't know, but it's been a minute. But yeah, I've just been like really busy. My grays are in full effect. Can we just acknowledge the gray hairs that Vanessa has? This is bare face Vanessa, aside from the eyes, but bare face Vanessa, gray hair, like, whoa. Let's get into the questions because we've got a lot. I might make this into 2 videos because. So how does Poshmark's bulk sharing compare to the Poshmark sharing tool? I would think that at least I would think that at least up against another non-bot, it would be close enough to warrant going with the free option instead of the monthly fee. I know I can't talk, you guys. I know you were using the Poshmark sharing app at one point because you were in Poshmark share jail. Because of the way this one works, I would think it would at least keep you from likely hitting the share limit. Okay, so the bulk share feature. I made a video. I think I talked about it in my last video. I was like, oh my gosh, you guys, like I didn't have the feature yet. I was like, you know, I had all these opinions about it. I'm like, yeah, it's going to suck because you still have to tap each listing. Like you can't tap a share all and it shares everything. You still have to tap each listing and then you tap share all. And I made a judgment about it before I used it. And honestly, totally be real with you guys right now, I canceled my Poshmark sharing tool subscription. It's a monthly subscription. It was $34, I think, after tax, $32 or $34 a month. I canceled that. And now I just use the bulk share feature on Poshmark. Because this person was right. When you compare it to something that isn't a bot, it's worth it because you don't have to pay that monthly fee. But obviously, you know, if you compare it to a bot, you know, bots are still way more efficient. Like I know that, you know, bots are way more efficient, but they're still against Poshmark terms of service. But yeah, just being real with you guys, I canceled my Poshmark sharing tool subscription and I just do the bulk share feature on Poshmark. I finally got it. I feel like I was like the last person to get it. So I got the bulk feature on when I replied to this comment, it was June 29th, and I feel like everyone else got it like a week before me, or maybe even like 2 weeks before me, but I finally have it and I love it. I feel bad because I've promoted that so much, and I think Rachel, the owner, is amazing, and like no shade towards her at all. Like she's amazing. She created an amazing tool. But for me personally, it just makes sense to use the Poshmark bulk share feature and not pay that monthly fee. So yeah, that's just my opinion. I would suggest trying both of them out and then seeing which one works for you. Okay. From my girl Cricket. Hello, Queen. I have a question. I have folks that share one item multiple times over and over. Is it respectful for me to share only one of their items, or should I share for share? Okay. So, you know, I get people that share my shit all the time. Like I get people that share literally my whole entire closet, and I used to be like, oh my gosh, that's so nice of them. Well, I'm still like, oh my gosh, that's so nice of them, obviously. But, you know, I used to have the mindset of like, oh, they are sharing my stuff, so I need to share their stuff back. I still think that's a very nice thing to do, but I don't have time to do that. I really don't. I very rarely share other people's closets anymore. It's funny because I did go on like a sharing spree one night, and I shared a couple things from somebody's closet that watches my video, and you guys send me a DM and you're like, oh my gosh, you just shared my closet, thank you so much, because I know you don't really do that often. I'm like, yeah, it was funny. But yeah, I don't know, that's tough because, you know, yes, it is nice if somebody shares your closet for you to share theirs, but realistically, I don't have time to do that, and I don't really feel bad anymore because I just don't have time to do that. Okay, hi Vanessa, I need help. So if you could answer this question, that would be lovely. A buyer opened up a case on me claiming flaws on an item, and I told her hopefully Posh rules the favor within both of us because those flaws were there before she told me she loved the hoodie. Well, I woke up this morning and noticed the whole answer. I can't read. I woke up this morning and noticed the whole order was canceled, so she got to keep the item and got refunded, and I didn't receive anything. Now I'm out of my hoodie, which was essentially expensive, and the money. I contacted Poshmark and they haven't got back to me, and now I'm feeling as if I've been scammed. What should I do? Thanks. Okay, that is weird. No, something's up because they shouldn't, if they canceled the order, then they should tell the buyer to send it back to you, especially if they can't. Okay, if they cancel the order and the buyer got refunded, then the buyer should be sending the item back to you. Normally when they decide in favor of both people, you know, the buyer gets refunded, they get to keep the item, and the seller gets refunded too. But since you didn't get refunded, That's a little crazy. Keep emailing Poshmark and be like, what the hell? Like, this isn't right. Like, that definitely is very scammy. So yeah, so I would blow them up like everywhere. I would email them. I would send them a DM on Instagram, and I would tweet them too, because no, that's not right at all. That's never happened to me before, and I've never heard of that happening to anyone before. So maybe it was like a glitch on Poshmark. You definitely should have had your earnings released to you. So yeah, so just keep on them. Definitely keep emailing them, because that's not right. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.